Hello and welcome to our video. My name is Shayden, and in this video we'll look at a great and exciting new feature in JD Builder, and that is the ability to have Lightbox on your images. Let me show you what a Lightbox is. So if I click this image, you can see this kind of has a slideshow effect, and I can do full screen all with keyboard, and using keyboard I can navigate to next and previous image. Now let me show you how to enable this Lightbox on your website. So go to your existing gallery element or your image element and go to general, and you have the option, new option here for Lightbox, that's default yes or no. Now the default is a global option which we'll get to in a second, but individually on an element level you can enable it or disable it if you like. Now to manage the global options, we'll go to options, global options, and edit global. And in here we'll go to components. You can see we have Lightbox options here. In here you have a few options whether or not you want to globally enable the Lightbox. So you can disable it, and anyone selecting global will not have the Lightbox working. If you want to display the counter or not. So if I disable this, and let the page reload because it's just saving it, and now you'll see on the top left we do not have a counter. Let me actually enable the counter and show you what it used to look like. So if I enable the counter and we go back here again, the page is reloading, and if I click you can see we have a counter, 1 or 2 or 3. But if I can go back and disable it, and yeah, I can disable it. You can also disable the option to have a full screen, to display full screen or not, so users cannot go full screen. If you want to display a title, what would that be? Would that be the title or the caption or the alt text of the image? And what would be the description, the title, caption, or the alt text of the image? You also have a few options here. So there's text color, there's background color, there's icon color, there's icon hover size, and there's icon size and navigation as well. So let's say we want to change the background color to this creepy red, and we want to change the icon color to white. And let's just maximize these icons a little bit. All right. This is gonna bring in a very bizarre effect, but we'll just see what it looks like. And as you can see, the background is red now, but the icons are white, which we made bigger. And that's really all you have with the gallery, with the Lightbox. So you have a few options to play with, and you can really change them as you see fit. And then there are title and caption. So let's go ahead and enable those too. So an individual gallery item, you have an option to display a title. This is my title, and this is my description. So if I go ahead and save it, you can see my title and description appears here. So really useful if you want to create a gallery, a Lightbox effect on your gallery. Now this is also available on individual images. So it's not limited to this gallery add-on, but is also available on individual images. Let's go ahead and get a new background image for this one. All right, we'll save this one. All right, and in here at the bottom you can see we'll say media file and Lightbox. Yes, and we'll refresh this page, and you can see this does not have arrows because it's only one image, so it merely provides that Lightbox view. And most important of all, this is fully responsive, so if your users are looking at your website on a mobile phone, they'll still have a great experience, as I can see while resizing my screen. And that's really it about the Lightbox feature. I hope you guys love it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on our forum, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.